Have you ever wanted to explore Amazon Web Services AWS and quickly lost motivation because the account creation process seemed too complicated? In reality, although it requires a few steps, it's actually straightforward and intuitive. Welcome to Microservices in the Cloud with Jay, where we delve into the fascinating world of microservices, cloud computing, and modern IT architecture. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of registering for AWS, so you can start your journey with this platform without any hassle. To create an AWS account, go to AWS-Amazon.com, where you'll find all the necessary options. Then click on Create an AWS account to start the registration process. You'll see the actual registration form. In the first field, enter your email. That's the address you'll use to log in and manage your AWS account. Remember, you need access to it because AWS will send a verification code there in just a moment. Below that, you'll see the AWS account name field, where you enter the name of your account. Click Verify Email Address, which triggers an email with a verification code sent to the address you provided. When you receive the email from AWS, copy the verification code and paste it into the appropriate field. If the code is correct, click Verify to confirm your email address. If everything went smoothly, you'll see the next screen in front of you. In the root user password field, type the strong password that you'll use to log in to AWS. In the Confirm Root User Password field, re-enter the password to make sure it's typed correctly. Once everything is ready, click Continue to move on to the next step. You'll then see a contact form where you'll provide basic information about your AWS account. AWS asks how you plan to use their services. Choose Business if you're creating an account for a company, school, or organization. Choose Personal if you're using AWS for your own projects, like learning or testing. In the Full Name field, enter your first and last name, and in phone number, select your country code and enter your phone number. This is necessary because AWS uses this information to verify your identity. Your phone number will be required for additional account security, all for your own safety. In the next fields, enter details about where you live, including country, city, and other required information. After you fill out the contact form and click Continue, AWS will ask you to add a payment method. AWS needs this information to verify your account and ensure smooth filling if you happen to exceed the free limits. When you've entered your card info and clicked Continue, AWS will show you another screen identity verification by phone number. Here, you decide how to get your verification code, either by SMS or a voice call, which is an automated system. Sometimes your phone operator might block incoming SMS messages from these systems by default, so I suggest picking the voice call. After moving on, you'll be asked to complete a CAPTCHA code from an image and click Submit. Then you wait for the call, which should come within a few or at most a few dozen seconds. When you answer, you'll need to provide the code displayed on screen after you click Submit. Once your account is verified, you'll see a screen to choose your support plan. AWS offers several plans. Basic Support Free, recommended for newcomers to AWS. Developer support from $29 a month for more advanced users who need quicker support during business hours. Business support from $100 a month for businesses or individuals needing 24/7 support by phone, email, or chat, as well as full trusted advisor access. If you're new, Basic Support Free is totally sufficient. Remember, you can switch plans anytime in the AWS Management Console. After deciding which plan fits best, click Complete Sign Up to finish registering. Shortly, you should receive an email confirming that your account is active, and you can start using services within the free tier. Click Go to the AWS Management Console, and you'll see the main AWS panel called Console Home. You'll find items like Recently Visited Services, Applications where you can build and manage apps in a chosen region, AWS Health, providing your account status and scheduled updates, and Cost and Usage, letting you track ongoing charges and billing. This home screen is your gateway to all AWS services. The list of available services is huge, so you'll definitely find whatever you need to develop your application in the cloud. As you can see, registering for Amazon Web Services doesn't have to be discouraging. The main steps include creating your account and verifying your email, providing basic contact details, adding a payment method, and confirming your identity. Lastly, you pick a support plan, with basic being enough for most beginners. Once you've completed all these steps, you'll have full access to the AWS console, including free tier usage limits. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who wants to begin their AWS journey.